Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. Not on the Las Vegas Strip right now, not downtown. I'm actually on Flamingo Road, right across the street from the Rio. Gonna check out actually the Gold Coast Hotel and Casino. Been a long time since I've been inside. Let's go check it out and see what's going on, shall we? Some of the restaurants offered here at the Gold Coast include Cornerstone Steakhouse, Noodle Exchange, there's a TGI Fridays here, a Ping Pang Pong, then they have a lot of quick bite places such as Subway, Java Vegas, the Bowling Alley Snack Bar. By the way, there is a huge bowling alley in this hotel and casino. We're going to check it out. It's upstairs. Just hang on a moment and we'll take you upstairs. Hold on tight. You know what to do. We're going to check out the bowling area up here at Gold Coast. And you never know it from outside, but there's 70 lanes here in this bowling area. And they even have bumpers for the little ones if they need them.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This guy coming up said, keep the camera on me because I'm about to roll a strike. It's amazing how many friends you can make with a camera in your hand. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. For those of you wondering, the Gold Coast is right up the street from the Strip. It's on Flamingo Road. I had to walk across the street. I was staying at the Flamingo. I walked across the street to Caesar's Palace. Right there is the intersection of the Strip and Flamingo Road. I stood on that corner for, I'm not even gonna say 3 or 4 minutes, and a bus came along. I bought a week-long bus pass, and that not only gets me on the Deuce, which goes up and down the Strip and takes you down to the Fremont Street experience, but that pass is good all around town. So I hopped on a bus at the intersection of the Strip and Flamingo Road. It got me right here at the Gold Coast in about 2 or 3 minutes. Once you get off the bus here on Flamingo Road, and like I said, it only takes a matter of moments from the Strip, you have several casinos right in the neighborhood. They're all within walking distance of a couple blocks apart. Right across the street is the Rio Hotel and Casino, and across the other street is the Palms, which just opened up recently, and I just did a tour of both of those on the New York channel if you want to check them out. If you're in a walking mood, the Orleans Hotel and Casino is about a mile, maybe a little bit over a mile. I'm a walker, so that doesn't bother me at all. I don't recommend you doing it at night, but during the daytime, it's a perfectly fine walk.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.